Sunday morning when she woke up, found a man. In the morning, all that time I had a haters. I should say that girl's good as gone. She's coming back. When Thursday came around, that's all alone. Trying to clear my mind. On House 65. Let's do this for Coach Christine. Bucks on scratch off. Tick 2 12 packs. Candy guys with it. In time when she was grown. Radio station, Coach Christine's radio station, Beach Vacation, DC Reinvention, and the Panama. My 6, my 8, learn all anymore. Oh Lord, and the rains and pours. She was sure damn quick to up and apologize. When she heard about newfound luck on that if and now. And it's crazy how the way down just seems coming away. What I thought was gonna be the devil in my saving grace. Got me thinking that early again. Is the athlete like go raging back to the top? That's mine and her sparking light. And when to the number, I check real hard. She picks up on the first ring and I hear her call. And then the folks are whisper rifle. Against 4 and 3 passes. Me to my buddies to play around the call. My 6, my 8, never long anymore. Oh Lord, when it rains it pours. When it rains it pours. I've been on one hell of a redneck road for 3 weeks now. It all started, baby, on the day that she walked out. Then I won $100 on a scratch-off ticket. Bought 2 12 packs and a tank of gas with it. She wanted a waste of time when she was gone. Back to the top. And I was on the radio station. Coach Christine's radio station. Beach Vacation.